Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the awesome looking Wolverine as shown in Fortnite. Alright, so let's draw this really cool looking Wolverine. So here's my sketch underneath, and to begin with, draw in the mean brow first. So it's just going to be two lines. Just draw two slants going up. And then right underneath here, I'm going to draw in the eye shape. Okay, so just draw two curves. And then from the middle right here, come straight down on an angle to a point. That's going to be the nose. Come back to the side here. We're going to slant inwards. Start here on the nose. We're going to come up nice and sharp. And then here, just connect to this, to the corner. I know it looks a little bit strange right now, but once we connect everything, it will look fine. And then from this point here, we'll just connect that. So that's going to give us the face mask. Alright, so once we have this, we're going to come down and finish with the face first, and then we'll come back up and draw in the cool looking mask. Continue with this line here, come down. Now I'm going to draw the chin, the jawline. And then just close it off flat. And then his mouth's gonna be right here, so I'm just gonna give him a mean look. And then for the lower lip, just add a shorter line. Okay, so nice and simple. So now let's come back up here and finish up the mask. Start here. Just one big curve going up. And then another big curve. Okay, so this part's a little bit tricky. And then from this point here, we're gonna come back down to right to the mask area right here. So just come down, just leave a little bit of space. And then to finish up the jawline, just come down and connect to this. Okay, so come down and the same slant as the jawline. Okay, and then for the top of the head, just come up from the corner here. Make two little points. Just curve around. That's going to give us the top of the head. And I think there's some details here we can add in. Line. Okay, so I think there's some more details. If you want to add in like a meaner brow right here, just draw a little curve like this. Alright, so that's the head, and let's move on to the body. So the body, we're going to make it nice and strong. We're going to come up here to the eye. Okay, all the way up here. It's going to be his shoulders. Now we'll just pinch it in all the way down to his waist. Straight down, this is going to be his belt. Okay, so two lines here, and then right in the middle of this two line, just going to draw in the belt buckle. Just one big circle. And then from this line here, just go in. So that's going to give us the belt. And then one circle inside, and then an X. All right, for the X-Men. All right, so let's come down here and finish up the hip area first. So right on the corner right here. Let's pinch it in and then close it off. Okay, so his leg's gonna start here, but we're gonna draw in his arms first. So let's come back up here. It's got those big shoulder pads. Let's curve out. And we're gonna come in all the way down here. Okay, so nice big arms. And then from here, I'm gonna continue with this line. This is gonna be the chest muscles. And for some detail, let's go ahead and add in just one line coming down here. So this will be different color. Okay, so let's continue on with the arm. So this is the armpit in here. So I'm gonna come over here, just one little bracket. That's gonna be the bicep. And then for the lower arm, I'm gonna flare out and then just close it off first. And then on this side, on the inside, curve. This one is straight down. And then now for the hand, just one little curve here for the thumb. Here's the back of the fist. Down and then just hook it back up. And then start in this corner, just add one little line like this. That's gonna give us the other fingers. All right, so let's draw on the other side. So it's pretty much gonna be the same. So here's the armpit. I'm gonna come out here. Bracket. Flare out and then just close it with a slant. On the inside, curve. Outside, straight down. And again, same thing here. Just one little hook. Back of the fist. Come down, go up. And same thing here. Just one little line. All right, so before we finish up the claws, let's go ahead and finish up the legs first. I'm gonna start on the outside here. Nice and wide. Just one big curve coming down. Start on the inside here. Okay, and then for the little knee pads right here, just go up. And then on the bottom, just kind of pinch it in. And then for the lower leg, I'm gonna start up here. Again, flare out, nice and strong. Curve, this one is straight down. And just close this off with a slight curve going this way. Okay, and then for a shoe, come down. So this is basically just one big dome shape. Just come out all the way here. Close it off. Okay, and then same thing here. Flare out. Curve. Straight down, just stop a little bit shorter. Curve and then just continue down. This one's gonna go out. And then for the details right here, right on this corner, just draw a little angle. And for the details up here, it's got some more different colors right here. So just start right around here and just go out. All right, so now for the awesome looking claws. So I'm gonna start right here in the back. Just one little angle like this first. On the bottom right here, let's go all the way down, and then for the top, let's make it a little bit wider. Close it off, nice and sharp. And let's draw one more here in the back. Stop a little bit short and just kind of tuck it right behind there. There's one more, but we probably shouldn't be able to see all three of them from the side. So we'll just leave it at 2. Stop a little bit short. So if you want to draw one more, just make it really close to the edge right there. And that is it for this Wolverine as featured in Fortnite. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, Subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.